Have you ever wondered how ethical hackers scan networks and find vulnerabilities? Today, we'll unravel this mystery. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of Nmap, a powerful tool used by cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers worldwide. Short for Network Mapper, Nmap is an open-source tool that plays a crucial role in network discovery and security auditing. With Nmap, you can explore network topologies, identify hosts, and uncover open ports and services. But with great power comes great responsibility. Using Nmap requires an understanding of ethical hacking principles and a commitment to use it only on systems where you have explicit permission to scan. So, if you're an aspiring ethical hacker or a tech enthusiast looking to expand your knowledge, stay with us as we dive deep into the functionalities and applications of Nmap. Remember, only use Nmap on systems you have permission to scan. Now that we know what Nmap is, we'll explore some basic commands. Nmap, being a powerful tool, is operated through commands entered into the terminal. These commands are the keys to unlocking its full potential, and we'll start with the simplest one. Nmap, in this command, is a placeholder for the IP address or hostname you wish to scan. This command sends packets to the target and analyzes the responses to provide a snapshot of open ports and services. It's like knocking on the doors of a building to see which ones are unlocked. Next, we have the Nmap SVE command. This command is a bit more sophisticated. It not only identifies open ports but also tries to figure out the service and version running on each port. It's like knocking on the doors and then peering inside to see who's home. As you explore Nmap, you'll realize that some commands take longer to execute. This is because they are more thorough. One such command is Nmap PR. This command instructs Nmap to scan all 65,535 ports on the target, giving a comprehensive view of the open ports. It's a time-consuming task, but provides valuable insights. However, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Never use these commands on systems you don't have permission to scan. Ethical hacking is about improving security, not exploiting it. Also, understanding the results from these commands is essential. If you see an open port or service you don't recognize, it's worth investigating further. This is where your hacking skills really come into play. Analyzing the data, understanding the implications, and figuring out how to improve security. These commands provide a good starting point for network scanning. But remember, Nmap has a lot more to offer. The more you play around with it, the more you'll discover its robust capabilities. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and always use your skills ethically. Ready to delve deeper into Nmap? Let's explore a more advanced command. This command will allow us to conduct a full port scan. It's the Nmap PR command. This little command is a powerhouse, scanning all available 65,535 ports on a given target. Just replace O with the IP address or hostname you wish to scan. This comprehensive scan provides a detailed overview of all open ports on the target, not just the most commonly used ones. It's a fantastic tool for ethical hackers looking to understand the full scope of a network's vulnerabilities. Now, let's put it to the test. As we run the command, you'll notice it takes a bit longer than the previous ones. That's because it's working hard, meticulously scanning every single one of the available ports. As the scan progresses, you'll see a list of ports, their state, and the service they're associated with. Ports marked as open are actively accepting TCP connections, UDP datagrams, or SCTP associations. These are the points of entry into the system. Ports marked as closed have no application listening on them, though they could open up at any time. Ports marked as filtered mean the probe received no response, often due to packet filtering. Once the scan is complete, you'll have a comprehensive list of every single open port on the target. This information is invaluable for understanding the target's network landscape and potential vulnerabilities. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This command should only be used ethically and on systems you have permission to scan. Unauthorized scanning can be intrusive and illegal. Understanding the results is crucial in ensuring network security. If you encounter any unfamiliar open ports or services, it's essential to investigate further. This may involve researching the service associated with the port or even reaching out to the system administrator for clarification. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is not to exploit, but to improve security. So, always use your newfound knowledge responsibly, stay curious and happy hacking. As we wrap up our Nmap tutorial, let's not forget our ethical responsibility. Ethical hacking, though it seemingly bears the term hacking, is not about breaching systems for malicious intent. It's about understanding vulnerabilities, exploiting them for the purpose of learning, and then patching them up to create more secure systems. It's about being a guardian, not a gatecrasher. The power of knowledge, like Nmap, comes with great responsibility. These tools are not toys, and they are certainly not weapons to be wielded against unsuspecting victims. They are instruments of protection designed to safeguard our digital world. And so, I urge you to always use your hacking skills responsibly. Always seek proper authorization before conducting any form of penetration testing, because at the end of the day, we are the frontline defenders in this ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. Remember, ethical hacking is about improving security, not compromising it. That's a brief introduction to Nmap in Kali Linux. We've delved into the basics of this powerful network scanning tool, from understanding its role in network discovery and security auditing to exploring some of its basic and advanced commands. Remember, the power of Nmap lies not just in executing the commands, but in understanding the results and knowing how to act on them. As we continue to unravel the secrets of ethical hacking and cybersecurity, it's essential to remember the importance of using these powerful tools responsibly and with proper authorization. It's not just about finding vulnerabilities, but about working to improve security. So, are you ready to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level? Don't miss out on our upcoming tutorials. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to BP Coding for more insights into the world of ethical hacking. This is Bibash Sharma signing off. Happy hacking!